The recent downturn in the market impacting Ethereum price, Bitcoin, and other altcoins paints a grim picture heading into the second half of 2024. As per CoinGecko data, Ether rising lost 8.8% in the last month and tested support at $3,230. Meanwhile, the E3/BTC pair hovered at a 0.054 ratio during the U.S. session on Monday. It seemed ready for a larger breakout, but only if Ethereum gained more strength against Bitcoin, thus breaking above the resistance at 0.055. Despite the rebound to 34.45, the technical outlook may not be convincing enough, especially with resistance foreseen at $3,500, $3,600, and $3,800. Key fundamentals like the decentralized finance total value locked and the crypto fear and greed index reinforce the bearish group on ETH. The immediate support of between $3,200 and $3,300 must hold this week to prevent further losses to $3,000, considering it may be too early to rule out an extended drop to the next key level at $2,800. And Ethereum has, in the last few weeks, drastically gained against the largest cryptocurrencies, such that the ETH-BTC trading pair tested the inverse head and shoulder patterns neckline resistance twice. Ether bulls seem ready to continue with the uptrend above 0.055 in a move that could ignite a 25% rally to 0.069. An inverse H&S pattern is bullish and often signals the end of a downtrend and the beginning of a sustainable nevertheless, the pattern remains unvalidated until the price breaches the neckline resistance. In the ETH-BTC pair's case, this is the seller congestion at 0.05. The exponential moving averages add credence to the likely breakout, with the 20-day EMA holding as the immediate support at 0.05461. And a golden cross on the same daily chart lingers as the 50-day EMA in red crosses above the 200-day EMA in purple. On top of the golden cross, the relative strength index shows a lot of potential for the trading pair, holding above the midline at 50. Should the RSI close the gap to the overbought region at 70, the path of least resistance will remain upwards, further accentuating the breakout to 0.06. A breakout is also looming in Ethereum price based on the technical structure, backed by a soon-to-be sent buy signal from the moving average convergence divergence on the daily chart. Despite the encouraging bullish outlook, ETH price holds between a rock and a hard place, with support provided by the 0.5% Fibonacci ratio and a confluence resistance established at $3,467 by the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA. If the hurdle caves in, traders would push the bullish case, targeting a breakout to $4,000 this week. However, such a move will not happen in a vacuum, considering the two resistance levels at $3,600 and $3,800. And with the approval of Ethereum ETS imminent in July, market sentiment is expected to improve exponentially, and this might catalyze a rally above $4,000. The CoinGecko Ethereum price prediction and shows a vivid map for ETH recovery to the previous all-time high. It is possible Ether could debut above $5,000, reaching a new record high.